Hey everybody, this is a quick informational video. I'm going to be installing a Curt hitch for a family friend. And one thing I wanted to show you is if you order a Curt hitch and you notice there's no bolts or it didn't come with a bolt kit, first thing you want to do before you call them, order bolts, is right here they usually tape this part up here. Open this and check, because a lot of times the bolts are actually hidden in the actual hitch portion. So this way, to save on, packaging, instead of sending a big box, everything, they just put this in here, tape it up. So that's where you first want to check in case you think that it came with no bolts. Hope this video helped. Thanks for watching. Make sure to check out my other helpful videos.